Hey, welcome to a new section about savings. So this one will be about upgrading, which is quite easy to fix. So let's introduce upgrading. So what is upgrading? It means changing the generation of an instance, database, engine, OS, application, service to a higher number, which means here you have your instance type for EC2, for example. So we don't want to change the instance size. We don't want to change the series here, and we don't want to change the option, except maybe going to Graviton. But first, we just want to change the generation here. So we want to go, for example, from a C5 to a C6 and then to a C7. Why? Because newer version can provide better performance and also lower costs. So upgrades usually represents between 5 and 20% of your total opportunities. It requires minimal or intermediate effort. And also it can be detected through AWS Billing, Trusted Advisor, Cost Optimizations Hub, Athena Queries, for example. Just a few examples here. For EC2 and RDS, you can upgrade T2 to T3 series, for example. Why? Because you can see here that T2 and T3 here doesn't have the same price. So let's take Nano. So this is the hourly price. And you can see here that it's not the same price at all. It's like around 10% off when you pick T3. And then you can also pick T4G, which is even less. So imagine if you do that on all of your fleets of instances, it can be a lot. We can also review EBS volumes and ARDS, ETS, for example. So those will be very important too because AWS can charge us for the extended support usage. Let's dive in.